Welcome back to Termination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Graze, and we're filming a whole bunch of videos back to back to back to back.
So if you see us in blue, that's why, again and again. And this box, we were just talking off camera that this is like kind of, I don't know, like I don't say it looks terrible, but sometimes the box looks a little beaten up and we're like, why does this box always look like beaten up?
But it's
like,
not shipped in a separate box, it's just shipped in this box, so I guess that's why it looks rough and tumbled or something. I don't know. Anyway.
And as you know, I give up Graze, even though they do have wonderful customer service, but I just get tired of eating their snacks. I'd get them and just be like, nah.
So
I don't want to eat
you
them.
get this sheet with your order telling you, well, I don't know what it says on the front.
It's nutritional benefits
but on the back it tells you like how long things are good until and stuff like that. So it's very important to keep it handy. For my last month, like I didn't have it on me and I took it to work, the products to work to eat at work, and I'm like, I don't even know if this is still, you know, supposed to be.
They do put the expiration on the packages stuff on each one, so you have to like look at the thing. Otherwise, it might be expired and you're eating it, you know, and that's okay if you like expired food, but if you don't, then I've seen you get this one and this one before.
But they're usually. I mean, they're usually good for the earliest, let's see, this is December 20th is the earliest that these go bad. So it gives me at least like a couple weeks. Well, in that case, that's 11 days. But anyway, okay. So the first thing, I don't know if I should show it.
I know, that's like this. I was going to turn. I was like, did you show it?
Like 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. I forget how much this box is. I want to say like
it's $14.99, isn't it? Something like that.
So protein peanut butter with pretzel sticks dipper.
I think I got some offer from them to get it for like so many dollars off for the rest of my life or something, but I still am like, no, like.
White chocolate with wild blueberry toast.
Oh, the wild blueberry toast. I don't know if you got that, but I know the white chocolate you've gotten before.
I think I have.
I just feel like it's so sugary, like, ugh. If I want sugar, I'll go to Cold Stone.
So what was it that we got last time then?
I think it's something with the white chocolate, but I don't think it's blueberry toast. I think it was something else. Like,
okay,
we can watch our old videos and find out.
Apple and cinnamon flapjack, which is kind of like a granola bar.
I'm gonna say, did you want to have those from me? Because you're probably gonna get the bottom ones.
Oh. Deconstructed cinnamon apple pie. So this one.
That sounds good.
Let's see, it has cinnamon dusted apple pieces, yogurt coated raisins and almonds. Oh, good. Okay, I was thinking like, I didn't know what the white things were, but if it's yogurt coated raisins, I'm gonna probably love that. So
it sounds good.
That's good. Yeah, but yeah, I'll give them to you, I suppose.
Thank you.
So I can get to the bottom ones.
Thank you.
Okay, so then it opens up like that, just in case we've never showed you before and you wanted to know. Okay, so the next thing I'm grabbing is mocha walnut cake. So that has chocolate coated coffee beans, walnuts, and jumbo raisins. That's interesting.
I just don't like walnuts very much. I'm like,
oh, I love that. So that's,
if they're mixed with something, maybe I wouldn't notice the taste of it.
There's that one. There's Anytime Energizer, which is cherry, pear, and walnut.
Energizer is good, I think.
I think I've had that one before. I'm not sure.
But again, it's still got walnut, right?
And then
like walnut, walnut.
And then cranberry and hazelnut toast with rich cocoa dip.
This is different. That's new, right? Or does it say new
at all? It doesn't say it's new.
I've never seen her have it, but
it sounds good. I've never had it.
That's like you always get such a good variety, and that's the one problem I had. Is it was always the same thing.
Let's see.
Edamame and Kel.
I can get this one out. Billionaire shortbread, Belgian milk chocolate, almonds, cranberries, and fudge. So this one's definitely gonna have to be like a dessert for me because that has like 2 different types besides like the fruit itself. Two different types of like added sugar besides.
Yeah, we don't know like that we're diabetic or anything, by the way. We just try to eat like,
I think we're like hyperglycemic or whatever. Our bodies get hot if we, well, my body gets hot if I eat sugar.
We try not to eat too much sugar in a day because we just know what our bodies can do. We're almost, as we said earlier, some video, like we're almost approaching 40 and it's just like our bodies are changing, so we're trying not to eat too much sugar.
Yeah, it has like fudge and chocolate besides the cranberry, so yeah, that's kind of a lot of sugar.
Stick it back in there. But again, this box is a pretty decent box if you get the variety. It's pretty cool, and as long as you keep up with, you know, when everything expires, it gives you all your nutrition right there.
Yeah, so that Billionaire shortbread, real quick, it has 19 grams of sugar, so that's...
And their customer service is awesome, just so I can finish my thought there.
Sorry.
But if you saw anything you like, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. And we're trying to do another giveaway at 200 subscribers. We'll see you in our next videos. So take care of yourselves and have a great day.
Sorry.
Bye.